So welcome back everyone, Mike here. If you watched our last video, you know that we got hit with some really bad storms last night. We got about 5.5 inches of rain in about 3.5 hours, something like that. Lots of trees down, flash flooding. You can probably hear the generator running in the background. We don't have any electricity. Looks like it'll probably be out for a couple days. But anyway, in the last video, I kind of went around just showing you how everything's all jacked up around here. And now I'm going to take the RK24 Sherman to the rescue here. We're going to go open up some culverts and just kind of start getting things, at least stop the bleeding a little bit. There's still a lot of water running, but I'm just going to get some things opened up and we'll go from there. Now today's video probably won't be quite as good quality wise as some of the others. I'm just going to use two little cameras. I'm kind of in a hurry, got a whole bunch of stuff to do, but I'll try to get as much footage as I can. But like I said in the last video, it's pretty bad around here right now, but it could have been a lot worse, and it's no big deal. You just got to plug away at stuff, get it fixed up. 3-4 months, you won't ever know it even happened. And the people that I feel bad for are the ones that, you know, lose their homes in tornadoes and things like that. That's horrible. But anyway, everything that's screwed up can be fixed. It'll just take some time and some labor and some work, and it'll all be good. So this is what I'm going to be using here for a few hours at least, is the RK24, aka Sherman. You're probably wondering why, you know, you got the RK55 or the 37 even. This will be perfect for what I want to do here today. I want to clean out some culverts, and you know, you don't want a big wide bucket, things like that. Plus I have the backhoe on this tractor right now, and it should work pretty good. We'll go get started. All right, on the way down, I got the one neighbor's culvert opened up. Just got this one running. There's not a ton of water going in there right now because it's all jumping out of this ditch right here. There's a lot of water coming in there, but I'm going to get in here with the loader on the RK24 and try to get this cleaned out right here. Get this water off, and then I'll cut a little ditch across there to get that off. Then just kind of fill this in with some of that big stuff, and that'll get us by till it dries up a little bit, I think. It's really ripping in that culvert now. So I got that water back in the ditch. Only took 3 scoops with the loader. Next up is to get all that water coming down behind the RK24. I'll kind of cut that out over on that side, get it off the driveway. Then just kind of smooth this up a little bit, best I can with the little tractor. Alright, I kind of just roughed in a little ditch over that way. Now I'll get this water that's coming down here over to that side. And we'll have this at least dried up. Well, not dry, but you know what I'm saying. side. It's going out through there and down into the creek. I do have a bunch coming out of this hill right here, just kind of leaching out. That should quit pretty soon, but I actually got it kind of collected a little bit here. So what I'm going to do now is just kind of rough that in, fill in that big rut on that left side with some of that big rock, and then maybe this afternoon I'll bring, you know, like the RK55 down here with the box blade or something. Sherman can only do so much, just a little guy, but it has done very well so far this morning. Now here we are. It's by no means perfect, but at least you can get up and down the driveway now without tearing the bottom out of your car. Got all the water off of it. We'll definitely need some stone. Like I said earlier, some of the stone's probably a mile from here at this point. But yeah, that worked out pretty good. Got the water over in that ditch. Got that culvert opened up there. Got all that water diverted off the driveway over there. Kind of filled this right in right here. If there's a silver lining when you get these big storms that kind of jack everything all up, it's this. Between last night and this morning, I probably talked to 10 different neighbors who I haven't really even seen in years. I'm down here by my mom's place now on another road, and you know all these people, but you know, everybody's busy. It's not like you visit with them all the time, but you're just old friends. And you know, between last night and this morning, everybody's out working on their driveways, and you're kind of helping out people where you can, and everyone just works together. Nobody gets excited, nobody's calling for help or anything like that. You just kind of deal with it and move on, and it's pretty nice though. We've been catching up between working a little bit, you BS a little bit, but it's all good. And like I said, matter of a few months, it'll be like nothing ever happened. Up there by the pond now, I got a bunch of work to do up there, that's for sure. But anyway, I think that's about it for today's video. If you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.